Hello YouTube, Cam J Pediac is back again, and welcome to another episode of How to Build Lego Stuff. And this time we've got Percy, the small engine. Yeah, I gave him lots of detail. Yeah, just like Thomas. And yes, he has a brake pipe, and he has minifigure scale, so it's compatible with Lego track, and is 6 studs wide, so it can work with other Lego trains. So yeah, I did give him some side rod detail, but well, that'll have to do. So yeah, this is my best number 6, I think. Yeah. And you are free to use this model in your Lego videos. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's go into the building guide. Okay, so let's start. Okay. And if there are some pieces that you cannot find in these colors, just get creative with your Legos. Any inside pieces can be whatever color you want. So yeah. Onto the boiler and smoke box and base. Yeah. So this kind of boiler was inspired by the Laws Blocks model that I have. Yeah. Onto the foot plate and wheels. Brake pipe, lamp irons, and there you have it. That is how to build Lego Percy the Small Engine. I'll show you how to build the other Lego models that I made. Again, you are free to use this model in your videos. So yeah, that's how to build Lego Percy the Small Engine. Thank you. you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.